So year 8, if you have finished writing the chords and the bass line in the left hand of the piano for your 12 bar blues, what we're going to do now is add a drum beat. Okay, bit of fun. First of all, open up your score for the 12 bar blues and it should look like this. Before you add your drum beat, you've got to do the piano part there, the right hand with the chords, with the correct chords. Look at that, see that your chords match that. And the left hand playing the walking bass line, okay, around the chords. And what we do next is we go up here to the little picture of the guitar where it says parts. Click on that and click add part. And what we're going to do, we're going to look for unpitched percussion. See that? Unpitched percussion. That's what the drum kit is. Scroll down and pick drums standard. Okay. And it automatically puts the drums down the bottom, and that's what we normally do. We write the drum kit down there underneath. And you've already done this before, so it's very quick and easy. What I suggest is if you put the hi-hat, okay, that's if you put a note. I'm just going to do that again. So we've got our cursor, we click on here. So we've got our cursor, so we can move our little arrow up and down, and we're going to put a note here sitting on the top line. Okay, now that's a closed hi-hat, so that's when we push our foot down on the pedal of the hi-hat symbol, and we're going to select 8th note in our duration, 8th note. Okay, now we just need to fill that up with 8th notes. So we go, I press the G chord on my keyboard because that's the note G sitting above the top line, and we want 8 of these in the bar. Okay, so all I did then to make that happen was press the letter G on my computer keyboard. Now, put the cursor back, and some of you get a bit puzzled how I do that. I'm just pressing the left cursor key on my computer keyboard. And then I put a note right down the bottom, space, and that's the bass kick drum. Okay, now, on the third one of these X's, which is the second beat of the bar, on the third one of these X's, I'm going to put a note here on that third space, and that's a snare drum. So if you put the wrong note in, don't delete it, just move it till you get that third space and that snare drum sound. Okay, not on this one, on the next one. So that's the third beat of the bar, or the 5th quaver. Okay, and we're going to put another bass drum. Yeah, we're almost there, almost done. Okay, not there. On this one, on the 7th one of these X's, okay, which is the hi-hat, we're going to put another snare drum there. Okay, have a listen to that. Okay, now all you do is edit, press edit, just click in a space here so you light up the whole bar, copy, paste, paste, paste. Okay, a bit of a shortcut here. Watch this. Don't worry that it drops down like that. Don't worry about that. Click in a space here, hold the shift key and click on that 4th bar. Okay, so it copy that, Command C, and click here. Okay, so we're going to keep adding that in. This is just a bit quicker. Paste and paste. Let's have a listen. Okay, don't worry about it dropping down there like that. I think if I do this, yep, I can fix that up. Okay, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Now, that's okay, bit boring. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go edit, and I'm going to delete. You don't have to do it exactly like this. I'm going to delete these notes here in this second half of the bar here, and I'm going to get rid of that snare drum there. I could keep it if I like, and I'm going to put my cursor there, and I'm going to put a, okay, that's not great, I'm looking for a crack. There we go, up there. Okay, so I moved it up to that X up there on that line through it, and I'm going to move my cursor back. Okay, and if I wanted to experiment a little bit, I could put a snare drum, and I'm going to make it a semi-breve, and I'm going to put another one of those there, and I'm going to put another note here, and I could make that a quaver, it doesn't really matter. Oh no, actually, okay, I can put 4 semiquavers there. Just have a listen to that last bit. Just going to play this last line. Have a listen to this. Okay, it's pretty cool. It's called a fill. Okay, spelled F-I-L-L, by the way. A fill. And that sounds cool. So save, done. I mean, it sounds cool. Okay.